Let me show you how to make this easy African hairstyle. It's inspired by the people of Madagascar. It's a Madagascan hairstyle from the people of Madagascar. It's simple, it's easy to make. I'll be showing you the tips and some tricks, the easiest way you can make this hairstyle. You don't need to suffer yourself. Just watch how I'm going to make it. First, you need all the things I've shown: the thread, the gel, and also you need a crochet pin. Yes, for the style and the tip and the tricks I want to show you, we need a crochet pin, and again you need a kinky hair. Yes, first of all, to make this Madagascar inspired hairstyle, you need a very solid base, a beautiful base, because it looks like thread, like the normal African threading hairstyle. So I'm going to be cutting the hair or parting the hair in like a half moon shape, but because this hair needs to be full, I'll be making sure that the section that I'll be parting will be full as well. I know it's very challenging when you're looking for something very creative, a hairstyle that is outstanding, very creative, something that is out of the box. The creativity and everything takes time, but for this Madagascar inspired hairstyle, it does not take so much time at all. That was why I liked it, and for the fact that this hairstyle made me stand out anywhere I went while I was having this Madagascar hairstyle was a big flex for me. I had people asking me, who made this hair? How did you do this hairstyle? So I told them, don't worry, watch out for my YouTube video on how to make this Madagascar hairstyle. So I'm happy to share. Yes, this hairstyle was inspired by the people of Madagascar. Another name for the hairstyle is Tanavoho hairstyle. It's from Madagascar. It's an African hairstyle. So if you're looking for something that will give you like the African look while you're still looking chic, then this hairstyle is for you. You should definitely go for it. Try it and see how it looks. Now, I decided to part my hair this way, even though while I was doing the half moon shape, due to the shape of my face, I was trying to go for this side part look while doing this Madagascar hairstyle. Yes, so that's what the beauty of making your own hair is. Like, you can literally shape it the way you want considering your face type. So while I was doing this Madagascar hairstyle, this Tanavoho hairstyle, I decided to say, you know what, I'm going to do it coming to the side. So for the base, since I'll not be using threading method for this Madagascar hairstyle, I'll go like I'm doing a knotless braid. I'll start with my hair, do 1 or 2, 3 braids, then I'll add the Brazilian wool. Yeah, the wool I'm using, or the thread, is Brazilian wool. It has this kind of natural feel. You can use braiding hair if you want to, but since I have this one, I decided to use it. Now that I've reached the end of the braid, I'll secure it because I'll be using my crochet pin to pass the hair through the braids I've made. So that was why I needed to secure it to make sure that it is quite tight. If not, it's going to unravel. Now you want to go in like 2, 3, or 4 times depending on how full you want your own to look. I want mine really full, so I decided to add more hair to make it bulky. It's in the bulkiness that the beauty lies. I cut the wool that I used because I'll be tucking it inside, so I had excess wool. I had to tuck it inside. Now this first method is the method you should go for if you want something really quick. Okay, I'll be showing you another method, but this one is the easiest you can go for. Now, one of the cons of this method is that you might just need it for 2 or 3 days. It might unravel. Okay, that's why I said I have two methods. This one is the quickest, is the fastest. Anyone can do this one. But if you want it to last 3 to 4 weeks, there's another method I will show you. This first one was the easiest, and I'll repeat it again so that you'll see how I did it. I noticed that my cloth was black also, and the hair I was making was black, so there was just black everywhere. I needed something to kind of give it contrast, so that was why I went and put towel, so at least you guys can see like something different, so that when I'm adding the hair or something, there's just a little bit contrast, so that it does some magic and helps you people with the like viewing. I was just black. I don't know what made me wear black. Everywhere was just black, black, black. I was like, no, this hairstyle on its own, I'm using a black braid. I'm using black braids for the hairstyle, and my clothes is black, and every day I said no, so I had to go and just add the orange color towel. Just repeat the same method I did again. At first, pass the hair through the braid that has been made. It's going to be a little bit difficult because the hair we are passing through is full. Okay, just take your time, pass it through gently. It will definitely pass through. Okay, just take your time. It's literally the same method I did at first. I try to cut the excess because again I'll be tucking it in, to give it the fluffiness and the fullness that I need, and I'll push it a bit up like I just did. Then use the rubber band to tie it. This Madagascar hairstyle or the Tanavoho hairstyle needs that round ball looking shape. So this is how you get it. Again, the pro of this method I'm showing you guys that is easy, is fast for this Tanavoho African braid hairstyle. But if you want to carry the hair for like 2-3 weeks, this other method I'm showing you is going to be preferred. Again, just start the hair like you're doing your normal knotless braid, and add the hair. If you're not using extension like normal braiding hair for this Tanavoho hairstyle or this Rihanna inspired hairstyle, yeah, some people call it Rihanna inspired hairstyle, you can also use just like I'm using the wool, the Brazilian wool. It's also going to work. Okay, pass it through like we had done before. Make it as full as you want. Now, the fullness of this Madagascar hairstyle, like I said, is the beauty. That is where the beauty lies. Okay, so you want to pass as many kinky hair as possible. For the second method of this Madagascar hairstyle, all we are going to do is fluff it like so, tuck it in, put rubber band like we had done in the first one, but there's going to be a little change. This will enable this Madagascar hairstyle to last you for a long time. I keep saying Madagascar hairstyle is there so that I can pay respect to the people of Madagascar. If not, how will we even know that there's a hairstyle like this? So pay respect to the people of Madagascar. They brought this hairstyle to us, and now we are rocking it. We are rocking it. For the second method, just tie it like so, go around the braid and wrap it. This way it's going to be really secured. If you want to have the hair for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, it's going to stay put. It's not going to unravel. Please do like the video. It helps YouTube to suggest the video to other viewers. That way my channel gets recommended. And please, if you have not subscribed and you're watching up to this point, please do subscribe. And if you have any question, please do drop it in the comment section. I will surely reply you. Now this hairstyle is one that I'll recommend. I'm even thinking of trying it in a different color. I'm thinking of trying it in a like brown. I don't know how it will look, but I'm thinking of trying it. Does this hairstyle look like a hairstyle you want to make? Tell me in the comment section. Or does it look too African for you? Or does it look too cheeky? Or do you feel it to drag attention to you? I want to know in the comment section. Is it something that it's out of your comfort zone? Like for me, this hairstyle was way out of my comfort zone. But again, it's like I'm in the phase of exploration. So I tried to do this Madagascar hairstyle. If you were given 100,000 naira to try this hairstyle, will you go for it? Okay, if you were given $1,000, even though I know it's not an equivalent to the 100,000 naira, like, will you go for it? Or you say no, it's not something I want to do? Is it something you want to go for? I love this Madagascar hairstyle. My husband liked it. I got lots of compliments, and that was why I said, you know what, it's something I will try again. Tell me in the comment section if you would like to try it, and in which color. Is it going to be black, or you're going to try it in another color? If you find the video helpful, don't forget to share it with a friend. Someone else needs to see this beautiful hairstyle and try it also, okay? There's love in sharing, including sharing a video of Madagascar hairstyle. So don't forget to share with your friends, share to your wives also, you know, if you want her looking cheeky. See how I'm holding this hair, right? I'm making it like that ball shape. Yes, that's how you go for it. Your hand has to be cupped in a way that, is it cupped or curved? Yes, in a way that it's going to give the ball shape. And then go again, just wrap it around and secure it like so. One thing with the kinky hair for this hairstyle, for this Madagascar hairstyle, is that it helps it stay firm. See how it's looking already. I just went ahead to apply gel here and there, and see how it is looking. Madagascar hairstyle, Rihanna braid, everything is giving 100 over 100 minus nothing. Thank you so much for watching, of course, and I will see you in another video. For now, bye bye.